The best noodle recipe can vary depending on personal preferences and cuisine preferences. However, here's a simple and versatile recipe for homemade noodles. Ingredients: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 2 large eggs, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 2 to 4 tablespoons water, as needed. Instructions: in a large mixing bowl, combine the all-purpose flour and salt. Make a well in the center. Crack the eggs into the well and lightly beat them with a fork. Gradually incorporate the flour into the eggs until a rough dough forms. Knead the dough on a floured surface for about 5 to 10 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. If the dough is too dry, add water, 1 tablespoon at a time, until it comes together. If it's too wet, add a little more flour. Shape the dough into a ball and cover it with a damp towel or plastic wrap. Let it rest at room temperature for at least 30 minutes to relax the gluten. After resting, divide the dough into smaller portions for easier handling. Roll out each portion thinly on a floured surface. Cut the rolled-out dough into desired noodle shapes. You can make them thin like spaghetti or wider like fettuccine, or even shape them into dumplings. Once the noodles are cut, you can cook them immediately in boiling water for 2 to 4 minutes until they are tender but still have a bite to them. Alternatively, you can let them air dry for a few hours or overnight and store them in an airtight container for later use. Serve the cooked noodles with your favorite sauce, stir-fry, or soup. Feel free to customize this recipe by adding flavors or ingredients like spinach or beet puree for colored noodles, or by adjusting the thickness and shape of the noodles to your liking. Enjoy your homemade noodles.